Do or does.
Do or does. This is one of the most common mistakes in English, but don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll never get it wrong again. Let's dive in. Here's the simple trick. Use does with he, she, it, or any singular name. Use do with I, you, we, they, or plural nouns. Let me show you examples so it's super easy to remember. Example 1. Sentence. He plays tennis. Question. Does he play tennis? Explanation. He is a pronoun used for singular nouns, so we are using does here. Example 2. Sentence. They play football. Question. Do they play football? Explanation. They is a pronoun used for plural nouns, so we'll use do with it. Always match singular, plural correctly. Example 3. Sentence. I study English. Question. Do I study English? Explanation. We always use do with I. Remember to check the subject before choosing do or does. Example 4. Sentence. Sarah goes to school. Question. Does Sarah go to school? Explanation. Singular name, so we use does. Don't get tricked by the verb ending. Example 5. Sentence. We watch cartoons every day. Question. Do we watch cartoons every day? Explanation. With plural subject we use do. Many people make these mistakes. He do his homework. Correct. He does his homework. They does their homework. Correct. They do their homework. Remember, the subject decides do or does, not the verb ending. Now, test yourself with a quick do versus does quiz short. Check the link in the description now.